बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, एक और बड़ी खबर के साथ न्यूज़ी बाबा हाजिर है। खबर की तफसील जानने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और घंटी के बटन को दबा दें।
Well, we saw that video of that very brave young girl, Bibi Muskaan Khan. She in fact joins us now from Mandya. Muskaan, have you seen any of these boys before? Are they part of the same institution?
Sir, I didn't got
Can you hear me now?
Sir, yes, you are audible to me.
Okay. No, I'm just trying to ask you, have you seen any of the men before, or are they outsiders?
Somehow some members were from outsiders and also from 10% from college, but all were the outsiders. Our principal and all the lecturers have supported me. And supported me and protected me.
And so, Muskaan, what we see that at one stage, you go into the college. Is that when the principal and teachers perhaps protected you to ensure that nobody hurt you?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Principals, everyone has protected me so that no one hurts me, just because all young stars were crowded me and start giving the slogans as Jai Shri Ram and something blackmails like this. So all the principals, lecturers have supported me.
Muskaan, have you always worn a burqa or a hijab in this college?
Yes, sir. All time, like from when I am studying, all time I used to carry the burqa, hijab. But when I used to go for the class, I removed the burqa and I just carried the hijab.
So therefore, the hijab is part of the uniform, or it has always been allowed?
Yes, sir. It was just part of us. Actually, principal has nothing. He has said nothing. These outsiders have started this.